Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to get and use the Eraser tool on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly correct mistakes or clean up your charts, a simple skill that can really speed up your analysis and keep your workspace tidy. Whether you're brand new to TradingView or just never knew where to find the Eraser, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in and walk through it together. First off, go ahead and open up TradingView in your browser. This might sound obvious, but it's easy to overlook if you're just starting out. TradingView is an incredibly versatile charting platform, and pretty much everything happens from this main interface, so I always like to make sure everyone's on the same page. Take a moment to log into your account if you are already, so all your actions will be saved and you'll have full access to the tools. Once TradingView is loaded, look towards the top of the page for the Products button. It's usually located in the menu bar near the main TradingView logo. Clicking Products isn't strictly necessary for every charting task, but it's good practice, especially if you're switching between chart types or want to double-check that you're in the right workspace. This keeps everything organized and ensures you're not missing out on any features. Now let's get hands-on and actually demo the Eraser tool. First, we need something to erase. In the toolbar, usually docked on the left side of your chart, find and select the Brush tool. If you're new to drawing on charts, the Brush tool essentially lets you make freehand marks directly onto your chart, perfect for highlighting trends or scribbling quick notes. Just click on the brush and draw any shape or squiggle on your chart. Don't be afraid to get creative. The idea here is just to have something visible to erase in a moment. Okay, your chart should have some marks now. Next, look up toward the tool area, often near your profile icon at the top right of the TradingView interface. This area collects several handy tools you might need while charting. You'll want to select the tool just under your profile icon. This will open a submenu with more options. Here, where the magic happens. In that submenu, look for the Eraser tool. Its icon is usually a small eraser or a rectangular shape that's easy to spot once you know what you're looking for. Go ahead and click on it. The Eraser tool is designed specifically for cleaning up freehand marks and annotations, so think of it as your charting undo for anything drawn directly, super helpful for keeping your workspace neat and focused. To use the Eraser tool, simply click on the area where you made your drawing with the brush. You'll see the mark instantly disappear, just like wiping away chalk on a blackboard, but with less mess. If you've drawn multiple marks, you might need to repeat the process for each one, but it's very straightforward. Just remember, the Eraser tool removes freehand drawings, not other chart objects like shapes or text boxes. And that's it, you've mastered the Eraser tool on TradingView. It's one of those small, often overlooked features that can make a big difference as your charts get busier. If something doesn't erase right away, don't worry, double-check that you're erasing actual brush drawings and not other types of annotations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical TradingView tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.